Hi all, myself Dr. Kamini Nalavde, working as a professor and head of Computer Engineering Department at Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management. I have total 20 years of experience, and out of that 11 years I have worked with Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management. Here in Computer Department, it is established in the year of 2010 and the intake is 60. The department has well qualified and experienced faculty members associated with it. We have total 9 laboratories which are developed in last 1 decade, which have very upgraded infrastructure, equipment and the technology. We have established a very good tutor system in our department which will help every student to solve his problems. Each mentor resolves the queries or the problems of near about 25 to 30 students. This helps the students to overcome their problems and their issues. We organize various workshops, seminars, conferences and expert talks to bridge the gap between industry and institute. Various value-added programs are arranged in the department with the help of industry so that the students will get the knowledge of cutting-edge technologies. This is very important aspect of the department and the engineering education which are taking education in the Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management. For this, various MOUs are signed with the industries like Zensar, Zento, which provide training to our students in campus itself. Various platforms are provided to the students to showcase their talents like events, competitions and the skill development programs. In last 1 decade, various students have passed out from our institute and our alumni are placed in various top-notch IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Zensar, Accenture, Capgemini and many more. We also have successful entrepreneurs in our alumni list. Here in our campus, we take lots of effort to develop the personality of the student to make them industry ready, job oriented and confident human beings. In this beautiful and scenic campus, the personality of the student is nurtured in such that he becomes a very responsible citizen as well as a good professional. In the last 1 decade, department has shown growth in the academic results as well as the placements. Academic results of the institute or for the computer department especially is top class result in the university, which is showing almost 90 to 100% result for the passing out students. And this helps the students to develop their personality in a lot of aspects. Thank you.